Hey guys, Steven the Salon Guy here, and in today's video I have Nick, and you've seen Nick before in past videos, and today we're doing Jacob Seed from the new Far Cry 5 game, which I'm playing. It's insane, and Nick literally is perfect for this character's haircut. So I'm going to cut Nick's hair, we're going to skim through it, and then I'll break it down at the end. All right guys, so Nick, or Jacob, is finished now. I just want to break down what I did. Pretty simple. Literally, I took the guard that had 5 zeros on it, which is pretty much close to skin as you can get on clippers, and I brought it all the way up and through here. Very precise of the placement of this. I really want to make sure it was a nice solid straight line, because in a video game he's got a really accentuated line into here. Did that all the way around throughout the back, and the same thing on the other side, underneath and through here. It's cut under here. I just brought this hair over right into this area. But again, I created a straight, nice, sharp line with my shears. And the top I brought up and just kind of skimmed to where it's probably about, I'd say, 2 inches on the top. Then I blow dried it. I pre-styled it with 25 spray. And then I blow dried it and went in with clutch to finish off the look. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Had a lot of fun doing this video. If you want to see more gaming characters, let me know. And let me know what you think of Nick. He's a badass dude. Thanks, bro, for being a model today.
Thank you.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.